Hi, my name is Jamie Elaperti. I'm the Director of Solutions over here at Opaque, and today I'm going to take you through our confidential AI platform, providing the only way to effectively protect sensitive data when working with AI. Today's demo will highlight an agentic confidential RAG pipeline, including hosted LLMs to support a GenAI HR application for internal employees. The data is protected end-to-end via verifiable encryption. Before any data is shared, it's connected, encrypted. The data owner owns the encryption key. There is an attestation process that takes place, which essentially is like a pre-flight check to verify the data is protected. It will be operating inside a confidential AI platform, interacting with agents, large language models, and other assets that are to be expected based on the policies that have been set. During the process, all policies will be enforced on the sensitive data in accordance with any governance and rules that were set on how the data can be processed. This can include guardrails to protect against different types of questions outside of the bounds of what would like to be taking place during this HR application workflow. After, we provide a tamper-proof audit trail. This tamper-proof audit trail is critical for internal or external compliance to verify the authenticity of what just happened and prove that the data was protected end to end. Now let's take a look at the Opaque interface, where we're going to review a few different things and how this is all strung together, as we saw in the before, during, and after. Within this secure chat workspace, we have a number of assets. Starts with connecting a data source. These data sources are encrypted. The data owner owns that encryption key, and they will remain encrypted during processing. This chat experience also has access to a large language model and a few other agents. These agents and this model are attested in that pre-flight check that we discussed at the beginning of this demo. Once we have our assets, we string them together in this employee Q&A HR experience. It starts with a prompt, goes to a model, gets connected to data sources, goes back to a model, and then ends with the results in the prompt. So pretty simple workflow to achieve getting sensitive data access in an agentic experience. Now, one of the most important things that I want to show is the trust screen. Now, this is our pre-flight check, the attestation audit logs that you'll see that we're attesting the data sources, the agents, and the models, and they will be interacting in the permissible ways that we set up. After the workflow runs, we have a tamper-proof audit log. These audit logs are signed by the CPU or GPUs that are running this confidential environment. You'll see the certificate here that can be exported and verified with third-party tools. So what we just saw here today is an end-to-end agentic experience, including confidential RAG, guardrails, a hosted LLM, IBM Granite to be more exact, and an agentic experience that is strung together, protecting this sensitive data end to end with verifiable audit logs. Thank you.